Hi guys, today I want to show you how to fill marble grout lines. You can and cracks. This is a crack in marble floor. The things you need: a sponge pad, a marble grout, marble filling grout. See how it's working. This is a marble joint line is open, and this is crack in marble. We fill this, and you can check. You can see this grout line is filled, and you can see the marble crack is filled. This is the way we fill these cracks. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.